Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which dough blender to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Every craftsperson is aware of the importance of having a complete set of tools. A dough blender is one of the most vital tools to have on hand if you're into preparing pastries. When you think of a blender, you generally picture a countertop appliance to pour and then mix ingredients. That, however, is not a dough blender. Instead, it's a cooking utensil with a series of arched metal blades or wires that can be held in one hand. These strips allow you to cut solid fats like butter or lard before mixing them into flour for a flawless, finely combined dough. After that, it can be formed, prepped, and baked. In this video, we have compiled a list of the best dough blender available in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The dough blenders that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around till the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The dough blender coming in at number 5 in our list is the Confection dough blender. The dough blender is made of 100% professional-grade stainless steel that blends and cuts through everything from dough to cold butter with ease, allowing you to enjoy better baked foods. It can be used to create uniform, well-blended ingredients throughout the entire preparation process. You can also make delectable biscuits, cakes, pie crusts, spaghetti, pizzas, pastries, and more with an outstanding, light, fluffy, and flaky texture. Our team would like to highlight that this dough blender is capable of much more than simply chopping flour and butter. It's a versatile culinary tool that can mash potatoes, avocados, eggs, or soft-cooked vegetables, and even break up ground meat. The lightweight handle was designed with comfort in mind that'll fit precisely in your hand for a faster and safer mixing experience with minimal wrist fatigue. It's also designed to prevent rust and stains while being simple to maintain and clean. For its size, it measures 5 by 4.7 by 1.9 inches and weighs 3.99 ounces. Both professionals and home bakers will appreciate the ease and comfort of use, as well as the improved texture and flavor of their baked goods when using the stainless steel dough blender from Confection. This culinary tool is easy to use and multifunctional with 5 robust stainless steel blades. The dough cutter's lightweight but high-performance design is not only easy to hold, but it will also make all of your baking activities easier, allowing you to feel more confident and efficient in the kitchen. For these, it earns the number 5 spot in our list. The dough blender coming in at number 4 in our list is the ZULAY Professional Dough Blender. Due to this product's superior quality, you'll want to bake more often just for the sake of having fun with it. It has stronger and sturdier polished stainless steel wire blades that outlasts its competitors' baking and pastry equipment. This will make sure that all of your baked items have optimum texture and flavor. You can also make the fluffiest biscuits, creamiest pastries, scones, pie crusts, pizza dough, and a variety of other baked goods. Our team would like to highlight that the stainless steel floral hand mixer with an egg pastry blender will not let you down. It's medium in size with a height of 4.8 inches, a width of 2.05 inches, and a length of 4.13 inches. It's sturdy but light, and it slices through cold butter like a dream chopper, making it a must-have culinary tool. This will help you stop spending time and effort on poor results by using forks, potato mashers, or smashers. The dough blender has a soft grip and a comfortable handle that perfectly suits small to medium-sized hands, and it won't tire you out after a few uses. You can get a lot more done without having to worry about aches and pains in your hands and wrists. It also has a thick rubber that's much safer than plastic and gentler for people with arthritis. The ZULAY Professional Dough Blender comes with a set of 5 stainless steel blades that are both sturdy and polished. It's comfortable to hold because of its lightweight yet heavy-duty design, making all of your baking tasks faster and easier. It's also less expensive than the greatest dough kneader. For this, we place this product at number 4 in our list. The dough blender coming in at number 3 in our list is the Gorilla Grip Pastry Dough Blender. This dough blender boasts a comfortable ergonomic handle with 100% thick and durable sharp blades that allow you to create various recipes with ease. Its rust-resistant steel blades are built to last for years and won't bend or break when working with frozen or firm ingredients. The blades also have a curved design that promotes a rocking action for maximum efficiency, allowing you to seamlessly blend hard and soft ingredients together. Our team would like to highlight that this dough blender will keep your hands comfortable even when mixing the most difficult substances. The pastry blender's soft, broad, ergonomic rubber handle is extremely comfortable, and it's also slip-resistant, so no matter what's on the menu, you'll have a firm grip. Since this pastry dough blender is so easy to use and clean, you'll feel good about the kitchen tools you bring into your house. We suggest cleaning it before using it for the first time, which should be easy given it's dishwasher safe. For its size, it measures 4.8 by 3.9 by 2.05 inches and weighs 5.5 ounces. Overall, we would recommend this Gorilla Grip pastry dough blender to anyone who aspires to become a pastry chef. The handle is well padded and the blades are precisely cut and angled. They're also sturdy and don't bend or get out of alignment. For this, it earns the number 3 spot in our list. The dough blender coming in at number 2 in our list is the Spring Chef Dough Blender. This dough blender features high-quality metal blades that are both effective and long-lasting. It has been meticulously engineered to deliver perfect mixing results every time. Our team like to highlight that this dough blender has a cutter that adds a pleasing texture to pie crusts, scones, pizza dough, and pastries by making them fluffier and flakier. Each cutter comes with solid metal blades that are twice as thick as other options in the market, ensuring a long-lasting tool. There's no need to be concerned about rust or corrosion because it's made of stainless steel. You can also use it to combine your dough and evenly mix the ingredients. Aside from that, you can quickly chop nuts or soft vegetables, mash boiled eggs, potatoes, make salsa, do muffin topping, or mash up baby food, as well as make apple or cherry pies. The large size will properly fit into your hands, and you won't have to worry about your wrists being tired. It's surprisingly light for its broad blades, making it appropriate for large-scale baking and pleasant to use for long periods. For its size, it measures 4.88 by 3.9 by 0.31 inches and weighs 5.3 ounces. Overall, we were impressed with the Spring Chef Dough Blender's durability and ease of use. It's also made of high-quality stainless steel, has a comfortable grip handle, and is well built to last a lifetime. For this, it earns the 2nd spot in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 dough blender in our list, the OXO Good Grips Dough Blender. This high-quality dough blender and pastry cutter are designed to give your hands a perfect grip while mixing ingredients or blending flour with butter, sugar, and other ingredients that demand more effort, such as blending slabs of hard butter. It features a blade that's made of durable stainless steel for long-term use. Besides being suitably oriented, the blades have sharp edges for improved efficiency. They're strong, don't break easily, and work rapidly. Our team would like to highlight that this dough blender can be used to mash pre-cooked fruits, vegetables, potatoes, and legumes. Mixing dry ingredients will also be a breeze thanks to the thick blades that increase the tool's usability. It has a non-slip grip that absorbs pressure and soft grips that provide a comfortable grip. This dough blender is great for making pie crust in a large bowl. It's dishwasher safe and can be cleaned easily. The grip also gives you enough control with a non-cylindrical handle. For its size, it measures 12 by 6 by 5.5 inches and weighs 2.4 ounces. The OXO Good Grips Dough Blender is ideal for frequent bakers. It has a smooth, non-slip grip that reduces strain and relieves wrists and hands while you work the dough. It's also well designed, lightweight, and easy to use, so you look forward to spending time in the kitchen. For all of these, it's no surprise that it earns the top spot in the list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 dough blenders which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next dough blender roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.